With the price of unleaded having risen between 85 to 92% and the cost of diesel anywhere from 150 to 185% since the first week of March, the typical motorist or automobile owner is finding it extremely hard to gas up at the pump. Thus, devious schemes and larcenous acts like siphoning fuel from one large tank to a smaller one are gaining popularity among thieves and cheats. Our Ryan Lisigas narrates mounting incidents on fuel thievery here in the megacity and elsewhere in this report.
Coinciding with the surge in the prices of petroleum products, various modus operandi related to fuel have also emerged. Among these is the discovery of illegal fuel transferring in a residential area in Quezon City and the discovery of diesel worth 10 million pesos in a barge in Navotas, as well as the incident of gas and go at a gas station in Quezon City, to illegal fuel transferring from a truck to a car in Fairview, Quezon City, and most recently, the illegal fuel transferring uncovered in Laguna. Despite this, the PNP said these are only isolated cases. The National Police also said that the situation remains under control.
Base sa records ng CIDG, yung kaso po na nahuli na po nila kaugnay ng paihi, kahit ng mga nakaraang panahon, umabot na po sa 9 cases. Sa 9 cases na nahuli na po ng CIDG kaugnay ng paihi, meron po sila 16 na individual na nakasuhan.
Despite this, the PNP said they are prepared should the country's peace and order situation worsen due to the oil crisis. The PNP is also investigating whether the seized oil in Navotas and Laguna are connected.
Nagbigay kautusan po ang ating pong chief ng Philippine National Police na si General Altates sa Maritime Group at sa Highway Patrol na makipag-coordinate immediately or today sa Marina para alamin yung pinaka-may-ari, registered owner na nasa aming vessel, at sa DOE para naman sa documentations, bukod po sa pagpapile ng PD 1865 o illegal trading of petroleum products.
Meanwhile, the number of individuals charged with profiteering, hoarding, and other violations has also increased. In the latest record of the PNP, this has reached 34. Out of this number, 8 have already been charged with hoarding, 3 with profiteering, 9 with violation of PD 1865, 1 for illegal storage of petroleum products, and 1 for estafa. These were recorded in various regions, including Region 3, 5, 8, 11, and NCRPO. Out of more than 14,000 gas stations in the country, 393 have already closed due to the impact of the oil crisis. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.